स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे चैनल पे। और आज हमारे साथ हैं द हाउस पार्टी बाय सवर कपल, द फाउंडर कपल्स विद अस टुडे। वी हैव देयर इज अ मोमेंट जब आपकी बेसिकली एक ग्राइंडिंग हो रही होती है। यू you नो know, आपको पता नहीं होता, मतलब बेसिकली क्वेश्चन आंसर राउंड होता है आपका पिच के बाद, जो एक व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, कि जब ए क्वेश्चन बी क्वेश्चन। तो उस मोमेंट पे हाउ डिड यू कीप काम, और कैसे आपने उस सिचुएशन को, व्हाट वाज आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था, हाउ वाज
हमारी
दिस?
ना लाइफ में एक चीज थी कि सो फनी स्टोरी ये है कि वी बोथ रियली नीडेड टू यूज द लू एट दैट टाइम एंड
ओके।
ग्रिलिंग से ज्यादा बिकॉज इट्स रियली कोल्ड इनसाइड
हम्म।
and but yes, I think we both kept ourselves wherever I was lacking, Tanisha was completing me, and
I'll
wherever
tell
she
you
was.
a funny story to this. वहाँ पे before you go in, obviously it's like a one shot. There's no pauses and cuts in between. Yeah. तो हमको उन्होंने instruction दिया होता है that if somebody is talking and you want to add to it or change the answer or whatever, you put your hand like this on the person so that they understand कि अब मुझे बात करना है.
तो मैं तनीषा को ये करे जा रहा
So
था,
मैं अंदर जाके नर्वसनेस में सारे
तो
सारे साइन लैंग्वेज भूल गई थी.
उसको
So
लगा मैं
sorry.
उसको शाबाशी दे रहा हूँ, तो वो और बोली जा रही थी और मेरे को नहीं बोलने दे रही थी.
वो जैसे ही मेरे को ऐसे करे मैं और बोलूँ ओ मैं सही आंसर दे रही हूँ, मैं और तेज तेज बोलना शुरू कर देती थी.
हमारे को पता नहीं हमारी ग्राइंडिंग किससे हो रही थी, क्योंकि मेरी ग्राइंडिंग मेरी बीवी से नहीं हो रही थी वहां पर. बिकॉज जब मैं उसको बोला था रुक जा, मेरे को आंसर करने दे, तो दैट because if you see the last part also of the thing, which is very cute, which we are quite proud of it, तनीषा अंदर आते हुए बोली है मैं आंसर दूंगी, मैं बात करूंगी,
So
और
just
सीधा
before I enter for giving a counter offer to Ritesh, मैं जाते हुए बोलती हूँ कि अब मैं बोलूंगी. तो
they've shown that part. So it has been very authentic and very nice. So all those moments have been captured. Even in the middle, there was a scene where I told her, "Let me talk." But apart from that, yes. But all the sharks, whatever said and done, because obviously it's for a longer duration, they were quite sweet to all of us, both of us. And our first जो हमारी apprehension थी और वो सब कुछ था, वो बहुत खुश हो गए थे when everyone loved the food.
so
That was the
obviously जो
most.
हमारा नर्वसनेस लेवल 100 था वो 70 का अराउंड आ गया था
70
when
भी
we
नहीं हुआ, I
realized
think
that
40 हो गया था when
नहीं
they loved the food.
मेरा 70 तक पहुंच गया था because I realized कि अच्छा खाना बहुत अच्छा लग गया इनको. They all praise the food, so now bring it on.
So
कि
main part
बेसिकली
was,
हमारा प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है, अब उनकी बारी है
you
आज
won't believe
जो।
it, all the menus that we have done right now for this coming week, all the Rogan Josh has been changed to
Yeah,
Martaban
so
meat,
we've
but
been
people
getting
have been
calls
calling
since
me up
morning.
कि जो Rogan, like they've taken a mutton Rogan Josh, they said नहीं वो Martaban meat कर दो because
बटर
Kunal
चिकन
really
हटा
praised
के
it.
सारे वो वाली डिश ले रहे हैं जो कुणाल ने बोला अच्छी है.
So
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 सबको अपने डिशेस चेंज
so
कराने
we've been
सब मेन्यू
asking them,
एडिट
have
हो
you
रहे हैं
been seeing
हमारे.
Shark Tank? They're saying yes, so we're like okay. So
ओके। ओके। तो अगर मैं बात करूं, द ऑफर दैट यू गॉट वाज बेसिकली अ मिक्सचर ऑफ इक्विटी एंड डेब्ट, बोथ ऑफ
Yeah.
देम। यूजुअली लोग डेट नहीं लेना चाहते हैं बिकॉज एनीवेज आपको उस पे इंटरेस्ट देना होता है, यू काइंड ऑफ गो इनटू अ लोन थिंग। तो व्हाट
Hmm.
मेड यू थिंक कि नहीं, हमें लोन की जरूरत है? वर यू रियली इन नीड ऑफ मनी, या फिर सिर्फ टू गेट द शार्क्स इन डिड यू टुक दिस डिसीजन?
see, firstly, it was Tanisha is a lawyer by profession, and she does. We've changed the whole discounting scheme in our company. So जब वो 1% भी ब्रेक कर दिया, हमने मैच ऑलरेडी कर दी कि अगर 8% पे पैसे मिल रहे हों, 12 पे हम कहीं से नहीं मिलते. Like if
मतलब
I want
उससे
to,
कम में हमको नहीं मिलेगा कहीं
नहीं
से even
मिलेगा.
if we go out
If
to
we go out,
a good
even a
financial
even a
institution.
car loan right now or an education loan is at about 10 to 12%. So it's a 8% is literally peanuts. And more important than the money, the valuation was actually getting a partner in Ritesh, because there was a lot of synergy that we thought that we can, because we are of a complementing trade. So getting that part was more important. So
And जाने से पहले ही we were
we
hoping to get Ritesh on board because वो hospitality line से है, वो हमारा business and हम उनका easily समझना and वो synergy would match. So we
there's
knew
certain
that.
things that there are a lot of aspects where he can help us out, and there are certain aspects where we can also be additional to his business in terms of the hotels and everything, because they are also getting into venues and we are into food, and we have been for the longest time.
ओके। ओके। It seems like you got whatever you wanted. Last but not the least, a fun question from my side. कि because आप एक couple है and you're also working as as a business partners, तो क्या कभी ऐसा होता है, because usually they say कि when your wife is at your workplace तो वो चीजें घर तक भी आती है and there's a complete different
Of
scenario to
course होता है.
it. Is that
Of
something
course
that
होता है.
happens?
मतलब there is no
I
doubt. मैं चिल्ला चिल्ला के बोल रहा हूँ. Of course होता है.
I bring in the best.
I bring in the best का तो पता नहीं. Problem is I get work home and Tanisha is screaming at me at that time that I will
No,
not
so there are
talk
days
about
because
work.
we have very
But
clearly
when she is
defined
talking, I have to
roles.
talk at 4 o'clock in the morning also about work.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
yes, that is
No, so it does get irritating because कोई मूवी देख रहा है बीच में पॉज करके किसी क्लाइंट की बात कर रहे होते हैं हम. सो सडनली वी रियलाइज कि यार हम 40 मिनट से मूवी पॉज करके किसी कस्टमर के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, बट दैट डजंट चेंज.
and
So
and लड़ाइयाँ भी होती हैं because I handle a lot of operations and the whole aspect, and Tanisha looks after all the her
sales,
guest
customer
relations. You
relations,
know, her guest
everything.
relations are under her. So अगर कुछ बेच दिया है, कुछ गलत बेचा है, कुछ हुआ है, तो रात को जब मेरी बैंड बज रही होती है because operationally that has to be executed.
So
टीम तो
also
सो चुकी होती है but उनकी मालकिन तो अभी
तो
है.
sales
So
क्योंकि मैं हेड कर रही हूँ, if the customer has anything to say which is either during the party or after, अगर कस्टमर से सवर को कुछ फीडबैक आएगा तो साथ में मेरे से भी आता है वो. सो इट्स लाइक दोनों जगह से बैंड भी बजती है, बट फिर प्रेज होती है तो वो भी दोनों तरफ से होती है, सो इट्स ओके.
So I can already see a tensed face of Savar. Savar, just yes or no. Should people do business with their partners?
of course, learn from the
Okay.
Gujaratis. I don't think you should do partners with your spouse. You should do business with everyone in your family member. Salaries बचती है, घर के अंदर रहता है, सब कुछ बढ़िया रहता है.
Oh.
No, by
You
partner
understand?
I meant spouse only.
Yeah.
It's not like you can you
No,
just
with your partner, I meant spouse only. Spouse also. I'm saying you should involve everyone in your business. And
okay.
then, you know, that is.
Because your spouse or your family for that matter, not just spouse, your parents also, if you're working together, they'll be the first people to come and tell you if you're doing something which needs correction or which needs some sort of rectification. They'll be the best critics for you to have when you're starting out in your business journey, which was there for us because जब हमने initially start किया ना, even our first customers were friends and family. Because like we said, हमने COVID में शुरू किया था, तो even if सम बिरयानी का राइस जो पहुंचा है उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, ठंडा हो गया कुछ खाना या वट एवर, ऑल दीज फीडबैक वी वर गेटिंग. कोई अगर आउटसाइडर होगा वो इतने इफेक्टिव वे में आपको फीडबैक नहीं देगा सो दैट यू कैन इम्प्रूव ऑन इट. बट बिकॉज हमारे क्लोज फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली थे, वी न्यू वेयर द लूपहोल्स वर, वेयर द प्रॉब्लम्स वर, एंड वी कुड फिक्स देम इमीडिएटली. दैट इज हाउ वी वर एबल टू ग्रो आल्सो.
So any final verdict, any final experience that you had on Shark Tank, या फिर कुछ ऐसी चीजें थी जो टेलीविजन पे नहीं आई that you want to communicate to the audience? Final words from your end.
The whole experience in short was lovely, and I would say this that the team of Shark Tank and Sony Live were more than helpful and accommodating us. उन्होंने actually made one thing that I would actually say is that if you want to know more about your own brand and how to present yourself, एक बार ये Shark Tank पे चले जाओ, they will do a PhD for you. The way they took interest in our brand more than we would have taken, honestly. They were so good at that. And
they handhold you because it was the first time we were pitching. So उन्होंने जितना हमको handhold किया है, plus with the pitch, all the help that they've done, they deserve all the credit for that. So we were very, very impressed with the
if our
entire
pitch
Shark Tank
was
team.
even whatever it was good, it was actually all credit
Their
goes to them.
writers, everybody, whoever is there to listen to our pitch over and over again, जब तक हम perfect नहीं बोल देते हैं, and obviously उससे ना हमारा भी confidence बढ़ जाता है to go and do it on stage because आप इतनी बार repetitive बोल रहे हो बार बार, and they're really helpful throughout the whole experience.
I would love to go again and actually keep on going there just to learn more things about my work and how to present it. It was that good.
Okay, thank you so much.